All right. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create desktop shortcuts like this that have like websites, as you can see, that are websites that don't have actual apps, but actually act like an actual desktop app. As you can see, no address bar, no nothing. I'm a bit zoomed in, so whatever. But I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to right click. Wait, no, first you got to find your Google Chrome path. Most of you should probably know this if you just installed Chrome. By the way, this can also work with Edge. You just need to find Edge's path, but click open file location. Here is a shortcut. I'm going to click properties. Copy the target. Close out of that. We can close this now. Right click, click new, shortcut. Paste this in and then specify app equals, put in the website. Here I'm going to do google.com. Google.com. Click next. Choose a name. I'm just going to do Google. And once I click this, wait, what did I do wrong? Properties. Oh yeah, sorry. You need to go to properties again, and specify HTTPS double dot or wait, single dot double slash and click apply. Okay. And as you can see, a desktop app. It isn't loading because my internet's slow, but whatever. It should work for you, and that's it. Uh, and a quick note before I end this video. If you want to change the icon, just go to properties, click change icon, and you can use ICO files or you can just browse for ICO slash DLL files. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.